Hello children, welcome back to social study class. I hope you are keeping well. Children, it looks the whole world has come to a standstill. You know why? Yes, because of the spread of coronavirus. And as a good citizen, we have some responsibilities. If we do our part, then surely we can prevent this virus from being spread. So today we are going to learn about a good citizen. How we can become a good citizen of our country. So open your social studies book and turn to page number 32. A good citizen. Children, look at the picture given in your book very closely. Look at these pictures and tick the sentences that you agree with. First one is, the children have tried to solve a problem that is affecting many people. Second one is, they know that they should care about the place where they study. So children, which point you agree with? First one. Okay, good. See, these children saw a problem affecting many people and tried to solve it. That means these children have civic sense. And what is the meaning of civic sense? Having responsibility towards other people and place around you. See, look at the page. Responsibility means a duty to take care of somebody or something. Citizens have duties and responsibilities towards their neighbors and other people, the place where they live, study, or work, the neighborhood, city, and country, the environment, rules and laws, for example, school rules or the rules on how to keep roads safe. Children, how will you show your civic sense in your school or in your classroom? Yes, you can show your civic sense by being kind to your friends, being helpful to your friends in the classroom, and not hurting them physically or mentally. How mentally? You can tell something to your friend in a rude way or in an unpleasant manner that can hurt your friends. So you should not use a language that may hurt your friends. And also you can take care of different things that belong to the school. Now, we are facing a serious problem in our country and also many countries in the world due to the spread of coronavirus. What good sense, civic sense will you apply there? Yes, you can be kind to other people. If someone comes to your home asking for some help, and if you have that thing which the other person is asking, you can lend that. By doing that, you will show your civic sense, because now we are all facing different types of problems since we are not able to go out, work and earn our livelihood. Go to the next page, page number 33. Who is our neighbor? Who is your neighbor? One who stays close by you, he or she is the neighbor. Sometimes they are known people to you, but sometimes they are unknown to you. There are many other people whom we do not know, like fellow travelers in a bus or train. When you travel by bus or train, do you know all the people that that are traveling along with you? No, you don't know. When you go to market, a big market, or when you go to a village fair, do you know all the people, those who come there? No, you don't know them. They are also your neighbor. And how should we behave towards them? See, there is a small story given in your book. I will just read out first. Two men lay badly injured by the side of the road. Many people passed that way in cars, auto rickshaws, buses, and other vehicles. No one stopped to help them. Eventually, a man in a car stopped. He did not know the injured man, but he put them in his car and took them to a hospital so that they could be treated for their injuries. Now, children, who was a good neighbor to the injured man? Definitely, yes. The person who came in a car and stopped. How he become a good neighbor? He took the two men who were lying injured on the road and put them in a hospital for treatment. And why do you think the other people did not stop to help? Because they were only busy among themselves. They did not pay any heed to the injured men. They did not have civic sense. The one who took the two injured men to the hospital, he only had civic sense. That is why he took them to the hospital. The other people, they did not care about them. They did not have the attitude to help one who is in problem or in danger. Can we be good neighbors to people whom we do not know? Yes, we can be. How? If we don't look for any reward in return of our service. Definitely we can help to unknown people who are in need of our help. And if we think only about ourselves in a selfish manner, then we will not reach out to the needy people. Children, quite generally, we are helpful and kind to the known people because we know them. But should we only be kind and helpful to the known people? No, we should be kind and helpful to the unknown people, because when we help them, then only we can show our civic sense. Means we can show that we are a responsible citizen of our country. In this situation, when the state and the country is facing a great challenge due to the spread of coronavirus, how will you become a responsible citizen and show your civic sense? By not going out. That way you can help your neighbor. How is that possible? By going out and you are helping your neighbor? Because if we go out, then we also can carry. First we will get the disease, and then we will carry the disease to our neighbor. So if we have responsibility and we know that we are good citizens of our country, then definitely we will not go out and break the law of our state and country. Rather, we will follow the guidelines given by the government and the health organization of our country and stay safe, and we will others to live a safe life. And thus, as being a good citizen of our country, we will help to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Thus, you can show your sense of responsibility towards other people, towards the country. So children, will you follow the guidelines given by the government and stay at home safe and make others' life safe? Yes, and I know that you will do that because we are all good citizens of our country. Thank you.